Hello, welcome back in this lecture. In this lecture, we will talk about detailed in using of ruler commands. So ruler is very important command, and if you want to create something, some models by drawing, then for measurements you need ruler command. So by using ruler commands, you can do measurements. So if I will put this cube here, or if I will put this cylinder here, and if I will use ruler tool here, suppose I want to measure the distance from this points. This is the origin, so I will put this scale here only, and then you can see that this scale has measured the distance between this, like a distance of y-axis, distance of x-axis from where it started, then the cube distance, height, width, and everything about the cube, that what are the different dimensions. This is the height, these are the length and width, and these are the distance from this point, right? If I want to measure these things from this point, then I just click here, this one, then if I will click here, then this one. So you can change the orientation of measuring. If I will click here, then this will dismiss your ruler, and if I want to measure the distance from midpoints, then I will click midpoints. Then now the distance are from midpoints, you can see here. Yeah, the distance is this rule scaling is shared from midpoints, like this is the all from midpoints, not from, this is from midpoints. Okay, so according to your requirement, you can measure the distance by ruler commands. Now if I want to know the distance of this cylinder here, I will click on cylinder. Here from this point, the distance of cylinder has been measured. About diameter of cylinders, everything can be measured from this particular point. So this is ruler command is very important, and by using this you can measure anything you wanted to know about, from midpoint, from center points, whatever points you know, everything can be measured. So this depends on practice. You just need to put some model here, you just need to put ruler commands here. Let's see, let's measure about the things. Let's change the ruler point, like if I will dismiss it, like this, and again if I will put ruler here on this particular model, then the distances will be changed. So depends from where you are measuring, the distance will regularly change. So I hope you have got fair idea about how to use ruler commands. Thank you.
If you want to learn complete 3D printing and make a career in this field, you can click to the link given in description box and start your journey now. In this course, you will learn 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, from start to finish.
This course includes design of 3D models, slicing of 3D model, 3D scanning, types of 3D printers, HTML file formats, post-processing, 3D printing materials, and many more, along with assignments and quizzes. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate which will help you for your job interviews. The prices of course is so minimal that everyone can afford. So see you inside the course. Thank you.